You've heard the horror stories. Someone falls in love with a condo only to find out the building isn't approved for FHA. Many condo projects are not FHA approved, which can make it tough to use FHA financing. But thanks to a program called FHA Single Unit Approval, you may still have options. FHA loans have specific rules to make sure a property is safe and financially sound. For condos, that usually means the entire project has to be FHA approved. The problem is that many condo developments never go through the approval process. That used to shut FHA buyers out completely. Single unit approval, also called spot approval, is a rule that allows FHA buyers to purchase a condo unit in a project that is not fully FHA approved. Instead of requiring the entire development to qualify, FHA looks at just the individual unit and some basic project requirements. This makes it easier for buyers to get financing in communities that would otherwise not qualify. Here are the main conditions for single unit approval. The condo project must have at least 5 units. No more than 10% of the units in the project can be FHA financed. The project cannot have serious financial or structural issues. And lastly, the condo unit itself must meet FHA's property standards. If those requirements are met, an FHA buyer can move forward without the project being fully approved. This rule opens the door for more condo buyers, especially first-time buyers who rely on FHA financing. Instead of being limited to a small number of FHA-approved condo projects, you have a much larger pool of options. It also helps sellers in non-approved projects since more buyers may now qualify to purchase their unit. While single unit approval makes things easier, it is not a free pass. The lender still has to review the condo documents such as HOA budget and insurance. And not every lender offers single unit approvals, so you may need to shop around. And the process can take extra time compared to buying a traditional single family home. FHA single unit approvals give condo buyers more flexibility and more opportunities. If you're looking at condos and using FHA financing, do not assume you are limited only to fully approved projects. Ask your lender whether you can do a single unit approval and find out what documents you need to provide. With the right preparation, you can unlock more options and find the condo that fits your needs. For more FHA and mortgage tips, visit mortgageresearch.com. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. And if you have questions, drop them below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to expanding your options on the path to home ownership.